Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're actually going to be reviewing the Fenty skincare. I've been using this for about a little over a month. Um, it actually helped clear the acne I had on my skin. I like it a lot. I know a lot of people been reviewing it and they don't really like the skin moisturizer because it has a strong scent, which it does. But after you wear it for a while, it kind of disappears. The smell, it doesn't linger as long. But it's lightweight. It doesn't dry your face out like most cleansers do. So I like that. But we're going to get into the video and you're going to see how the stages of how it cleared up my skin, because I actually had breakout on my face at the time. But yeah, let's get right into the video. So in the beginning, I was using a lot of product, which I really didn't need that much product. Because it was my first time using it, I didn't know how well it was gonna, foam up once you put it on your face. But I would say you don't really need that much product. Just a little goes a long way. With the fat water, you don't really have to really massage it into your skin. You can just pat it onto your skin. Um, it's really, that's like my favorite product. It feels so nice on your face. And it doesn't really have a strong scent to it either, so. Before putting on the cleanser, I always make sure to wet my face first, and then put it on, because it doesn't really go on well with dry skin. As you can see in this clip, I had acne on my face. I was just showing you guys what I had on my face so you can see the results after, and it worked amazingly. Around day 14, 15, I actually found that it was better to put a little bit of product of the facial cleanser in your hand, wet your hand, and then suds it up. Like rub your hands together and suds it up. You get more use of the product that way instead of putting the product in your hand and rub it on your face. Today I got makeup on, so I'm gonna try to take this off with the Fenty. Wash my face like normal, but I have makeup on, so I'm gonna see how this goes. Overall, I'm pretty satisfied with this. I've been using this for what, a month now? And I can tell a big difference in my skin. And it's so light. It don't feel heavy on my face. My face don't never feel dry after I washed it or used a toner. So I like that. The moisturizer. It's a strong scent, but after you rub it in and wear it for a while, it kind of wears off a little bit. And it got my makeup off pretty good. I had acne in the beginning, and it's actually going. And I can tell my pores are smaller. So I'm gonna continue using this from now on. We'll be reading up when it's going. But overall, I like it.